For today's video, I'm doing a quick core workout using the stability ball. So grab your ball, grab some water, and let's get started. To kick off this ab routine, go ahead and start by taking a seat on the ball and walk your feet out. Make sure your lower back and upper hips are supported on the ball, and the shoulders, head, and neck are off the ball. Keep your gaze looking up at your ceiling with the hands light behind the head, and make sure there's a little space between your chin and your chest. Elbows are back in your peripheral vision, and when you're ready, exhale and crunch up. Inhale, come down. Remember to engage the core muscles and pull the belly button to spine. Don't forget to breathe. Exhale on the lift, inhale on the way down. Keep this movement going. We're warming up the abdominals and getting ready for more work ahead. To finish up this first set, we're going to add a pulse at the very end. So get ready for it. And here we go. Let's pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Go ahead and do a little stretch on the ball and stretch out those abs. Keeping that same body position, let's work obliques. Place one hand down and take the same side foot and cross it over the top of the other leg. With the other hand lightly behind the head and the elbow back, we're going to twist over, bringing the opposite shoulder to opposite knee. Exhale on the lift and inhale on the way down. Here we go. Let's do 10 of them. Just like we did earlier with those crunches, go nice and slow and don't forget to breathe. Exhale on the lift, inhale on the way down. Last 4 right here. In 3, 2, and 1. Good. Relax and let's switch sides. Repeat the same body position, going the other way. Place the hand light behind the head, cross the leg over, and keep the elbow back. Here we go. 10 rotations. Keep it going nice and strong and make sure not to pull on your neck. I'm sure you're really feeling it in your obliques now, but keep it going. Last 2 right here. And you're done. Nice work. Place the ball to one side and lean over the top. Extend one arm and leg. When you're ready, go ahead and pull down and up and perform 8 to 10 repetitions. Keep the abs tight and really think about squeezing those sides. Exhale when you pull down, inhale when the arm raises up. Last few seconds, and stop. Good. Let's go ahead and repeat on the other side. Place your body in the same position, leaning over the top, and when you're ready, go ahead and pull down and up. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions. Great job. Keep it going. Once you have those reps in, go ahead and stop and take a quick break. Moving on, let's do rollouts. You're going to place your forearms on the ball and be on your knees. Keeping the core engaged, roll all the way out until you feel a little pull in those abs, and then with control, bring it back towards your body. Exhale, roll out, inhale when you come back. The key is to make sure that your back doesn't round and it stays nice and flat through the movement. To modify this exercise, make it a shorter movement by not going out as far. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Let's line the ground and do some ball passes. Starting with the ball in the hands, exhale, crunch up, and the legs come up as well to grab the ball. Inhale, lower down, and then pass the ball right back up to the hands. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times. Make sure that your lower back is not arching. If it is, do not drop the legs as far. If this bothers your neck at all, keep your head on the ground and keep the same movement. Think about getting a nice full range of motion with this exercise. Staying on the ground for this next move, let's do staggered ball leg lifts. You're going to wedge the ball between the top of the one shin and under the calf of the other. Place your hands under your hips to support the lower back. We're going to go ahead and drop the leg down with the ball, and then do a rotation, being careful not to drop the ball, and lower on the other side. Inhale down, exhale when the legs come up. This one can be a little bit tricky, so really focus on the movement and work slowly. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. Great job! Readjust the ball so that your legs are on top and you're lying back down. Let's do reverse curl crunches. With control, you're going to curl the knees in towards your chest while rolling the ball, and with the upper body, you're doing a basic crunch. Exhale on the lift, inhale when you lower down and extend the legs. Make sure to keep the lower back flat towards the ground. Going nice and slow, perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Awesome work!
Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily fitness workout videos.